They are the intersection of Queen Street and South Street. At the Eastern St. Thomas Taxi Association. The Portland Bus Park. So you see the vehicle them drive, they have to skip patrol. The other day I talked to the taxi driver, Panther. I said to me, Big Super, the gully look bad.
Yes, Kurt Brown, President for the Eastern St. Thomas Taxi Association.
Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, we're right at the intersection of Queen Street and South Street. And we are headed towards the office of the Eastern St. Thomas Taxi Association. So stick and stay with me. So we're heading into the Eastern St. Thomas Taxi Association. We are going into the office. We're going to talk to the president. Yeah, my viewers and stuff. So as you can see, we are entering the office of the Eastern St. Thomas Taxi Association, and we have the president here with us, and we're going to talk to him about the plans to upgrade the park, the routes, and what I'm saying with the future with this taxi service in St. Thomas. Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Yes, afternoon.
I want you to introduce yourself to the public.
Yes, Kurt Brown, President for the Eastern St. Thomas Taxi Association. Well, welcome, and it seems like you're here at the right time.
Yeah, because a lot of development that take place in the taxi association with the routes and with the taxi stand and the bus park and all these things, and we need some clarity because the taxi stand, the one round by, you know that one, familiar with that road?
Oak Transport Center.
Yeah, Oak Transport Center. That one need some repair.
Yes.
On the road, because we see where the surface are deteriorate, and some of the taxi people, man, them are complaining to me. And the other day, a taxi driver was saying to me that the gullies them around they need to clean and stuff, you know. So we need to know, because you are the president,
yes,
and we need to know what kind of step you guys taking to make the taxi stand and the areas them becomes more better for the public to travel.
Well, at this moment now, there have been some work going on the gully. You see, as we're speaking, it should be complete by now.
Okay.
And there was a meeting yesterday, with the council meeting, and I speak with the soup, that Mr. Felix from the municipal corporation. And he has speak with the relevant authority to get some paving take place on both transport centers. So it's not just Hope Road, but also the Church Street. Because we are understanding that passengers have difficult when they're walking through the Church Street Transport Center.
Yeah.
And also with the Hope Road, right up where the Portland Bus Park,
yeah,
where the entrance,
yeah,
there's a little issues with a little ditch.
Yeah.
And also at the end, the entrance, there's also another some other potholes that need to get some work need to be done right there also.
Yeah. And one of the complaints we get about that taxi stand here,
yeah,
is that they don't have adequate shelter in case of rain fall.
Yes, that's on the books.
Okay.
Because we speak with the mayor pertaining to the covering, you know, some extra covering.
Yeah.
Especially up in the middle of the Hope Road, you already have two bus covering.
Yeah.
The plan was to build some more to extend those coverage.
Yeah.
So hope that it come on stream very soon.
Okay.
And I also want to, put out some information because we also have some new routes. The Transport Authority has advertised some new routes.
So we have some new routes now?
Yes, that have been open for the parish.
Okay.
Especially in Morant to Stanton.
Stanton.
Yes, there was no route there before, legal route.
Yeah.
So no operators who operate on that route can come and apply for their road license and have legal taxi on that route.
So Stanton, where exactly Stanton is? You can give me...
Stanton is you travel from, well, there's two ways to, more than one way, but from Morant Bay, it's right round, by Stanley, or even the entrance for Hope Road.
Yeah.
And you
you go up that hill. Oh, that hill is Stanton and go to a scheme.
Yes, I go up to start that Stanton housing scheme.
Okay, okay.
And I can lead you right into Spring Garden.
Okay, so basically, so if somebody should get that route, is one way, is the route where they have to use or they can go from Spring Garden and also?
No, you have to go from Morant Bay. The route is because you have another route from Morant Bay to Spring Garden that you go to Church Corner, Cottage Pen, and you go up.
Okay.
But this one is from Morant Bay, like you're going to Needham Pen, but you don't go, you keep to the left
and go starting.
Yes.
Okay, so we welcome that route. And is there any other route?
Yes, we also have from Poor Man's Corner to Richmond's Gap, and from Poor Man's Corner to Somerset in St. Andrews.
Wow.
Not Somerset, St. Thomas.
Yeah.
Somerset in St. Andrews.
But the road around that side, when last have been around that side?
Well, I've been there for a while, but I will soon be there.
Yeah, because you have to really look on the road, the condition around there.
Yeah, but
I've been there, and like when you reach way up, you might have difficulty with the road and stuff,
But I know there's taxi that is running there, but not, that's the reason why these routes are out now, so that they can legalize their operation and have red plate instead of operating.
Yeah, and then we'll have less hassle from the police and the Transport Authority.
And then you have one more, last but not least, Aglis Gap to Mount Charles.
Aglis Gap?
Yes, so that is far up in the
but say, Mount Charles is where you go Cedar Valley and go up, right?
That's right.
And then you go left, I think it is at the police station, and go up on that hill.
Oh, yeah. Which way? Before you come from Yallas, they can come Yallas.
No, like when you go Seafort and go up.
Oh, you go Seafort?
Yeah.
Oh, and you go, you go
Cedar Valley.
And you go to Newcastle and go down. And,
yeah. Okay, because I'm looking forward to that route, because I want to make some travel on that route. Go to Aglis Gap.
Aglis Gap, I go to Gap. And so there's a whole lot of district up in the mountain here.
Yeah, because those routes is like, nobody talk about those routes.
No. You don't hear much because person don't really go that far up in the hills.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of district up there.
Yeah.
Not just Mount Charles alone.
Yeah.
You see, but you have district, even Woodland and Markham, as far as to the border, to Portland and St. Thomas. You have Old England up there. You see Penline Castle.
Yeah.
So, there's a lot of district up there.
I'm going to ask you something. Those districts is in St. Thomas?
Yes.
Okay, so St. Thomas is very big then.
This is just this part we're talking about down by Aglis Gap and Newcastle and those places. That's just the near part that we know of.
Yeah.
But when you go further up,
there's
other district up there.
Okay.
You see all the way to the Portland border, and the last district to the Portland border is Markham. How many persons know of that district? Markham. Yeah, just like you have Old England up there. There's 3 districts up there.
Okay.
You have Old England, you have Woodland, and you have Markham.
Okay. I'm looking forward to visiting those districts one day.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Those districts are good for the hikers.
Yeah, man.
Person who loves to hike.
Seriously, I'm looking forward to visiting those districts one day.
Going through some of those places lead all the way back to the Blue Mountain.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So we welcome all of these new routes, and I hope you get the taxi stand upgrade, especially where the Portland bus park. There's a big hole where when the bus park and the vehicle them have to pass around the Portland bus it's like them have to drop in a ditch before them can go down. Because you know the bus have to park to one side and then you have to park to pass over on the other side, and it's a big problem.
Yeah, that we already take the pictures and do the video and send it off to the relevant authority.
Yeah.
So they already have it in their position. It is now to execute their duty.
Alright, sir. Thank you and have yourself a wonderful day. We are going to the bus park to take a look.
Alright.
Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. I'm there at Hope Road at the taxi stand. I'm going to take a look on this taxi stand here because it needs some repair. Even the sign on the post where you come in at the complex, the sign needs to straighten out. But it needs some repair, the viewers and sub. But we have some patching out work need to take place because right in the vicinity where the Portland bus park, right in this area here, right here, so we can show you. See how the vehicle them drive, them have to skip patrol, so them all need to full out. Because when the bus park, it's right in another vicinity where the kids them walk, right there, so need to be repaired. I mean, I don't know, I see if I find any taxi driver to talk to. Oh, so I nearly break on my foot tonight. You see, I find any taxi driver to talk to about the taxi stand, so stick and stay. So one of the things them when they complain about is that them say them don't have adequate shelter if rain or fall. And them have this shelter here and them have a next shelter further down. Yes I. Them have a next shelter further down. And Panther did a complain to me about the gully. Because I must say the gully needs to clean. So I just take a walk, I take a look over there and see, because I see some work take place over the gully. So far, I look upon the gully and look like half a Panther complain. It look like them pass through and do some cleaning up work. Because I see where the gully look like, say, them pass through it and clean. And I have the president here, and it look good. Yeah, you know, look, because the other day I talked to the taxi driver, Panther.
Yeah, I see that video.
You see the video?
Yes.
And him did a complain, because I said to me, say, Big Super, the gully look bad. And right now I pass, the gully look good.
Yeah, it look bad too.
Yeah.
Go all the way down to the booth.
Yeah, so the gully look good right now. So I can see where them clearing the gully. Some of you and stuff. But they're in the taxi stand and I will see where them clean the gully. So you see how it good sometime when time you speak up. Sometimes it's good when you speak up about things where happen, because you see the speak up, you see the difference it makes. So Mr. President, come back in the cool shade there. Yeah, and tell me now. Yeah, and tell me now, say, it look like, you know, them do a good job over here.
Oh, excellent. May I give them thumbs up. So, excellent job.
The only thing them need now, them need to get the
patching, patch them potholes, the one up top there where the Portland bus and park.
Yeah.
That look here and there. Another here out by the front there.
Yeah, them need to get them patching there out of the way.
Yeah, we don't need them patch. And then, the long term.
Yeah.
And the covering, the extending two covering there.
Okay.
Yeah. Extend them,
yeah.
Them, you know, can cover more passengers if it rains.
Okay, so they need more shelter.
Yeah, and last but not least,
yeah.
If you look above over our head.
Oh Lord, the tree.
Look over our head.
Yeah.
You notice where the light is?
Yeah.
I think there's one, yeah. You know where the tree cover it?
Yeah.
The tree need to trim.
Yeah, the tree them need to trim down.
So when at night time the light can, you know, shine in this area.
Okay, so the tree them will block the light.
Yes.
Okay.
And I think we discuss that also.
Okay, so you guys did have a meet. You did meet with the members them if you deal with the
yes, the relevant authorities them.
Okay.
Responsible for all these problems.
Okay, so I hope them get on the job And the gully look clean so far. You see where them chop off over the far side of the gully.
Yes, yes.
And so they make some attempt to make the place look a lot better. And we love that. And we applaud them for that. So we're going out at the front now to see what's going on out that side. So my viewers and sub, as you can see, we was talking with the president at the Taxi Association. And as Fanta was pointing out to me, this section of the gully over here, that section is not complete. Well, them complete this long stretch I go back up into the park, go right up back to the top. But they need to complete this side of the gully. So I walk over there and look at it. So this side here, as you can see, a pear bush and tree in it. This side here is still remain incomplete. Some of you and sub, it was a nice little walk. We give you guys some update on the transportation system. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And bell and fill up the comment section and make me know what you think. Big super. Out in the road, a Morant be saying to you guys, peace out.